Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Unique Kitchen. Today we'll be making Nigerian fried rice. So I'll be introducing you to the ingredient to be needed for this recipe. We'll be needing some carrots, some chopped onions, green pepper, green beans, some liver, green onions, washed rice, and some chicken. So to our pot I'll be adding in the chicken, and I'll add in some onions, and I'll season the chicken with some seasoning powder, salt, garlic and ginger powder, and some curry powder. I'll mix this and cover to simmer for 1 or 2 minutes before adding in the water. And this is after 15 minutes and my chicken is ready. I'm using a soft chicken and 15 minutes is perfect time for soft chicken. So to a pot I'll add in some oil and onions and then my washed rice. I'll add in some bay leaf and I will toast my rice for 5 minutes. I'll be adding in some curry powder and some salt. So after toasting my rice, I will add in the chicken stock and water. And I'll cover this to cook. So I will be grilling my chicken. So I'm adding the chicken to the air fryer, and you can decide to fry your chicken. So my rice is ready now, and I will be frying my veggies. So to a pan, add in some oil and fry your liver first. I'll fry that for like 2 minutes and I'll remove it from the oil before adding in the rest of my vegetables. I'll saute onion for a minute and add in my green beans and my carrot. Allow this to fry for a minute before adding in the rest of the vegetables. I'll be seasoning my vegetable with some seasoning powder and white pepper. I'll allow this to fry for another 2 minutes before adding in my liver and then my cooked rice. So I'll mix this together thoroughly so that the vegetables can go round. Mix them together thoroughly. And finally I'll be adding some spring onions. So at this point my fried rice is ready, and you can serve this with your chicken, then enjoy with your family. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.